Unlock the magic of capturing the passage of time by mastering time-lapse photography with the incredibly capable Sony A1. Our journey begins with unlocking your Sony A1's internal time-lapse capabilities. Access the camera's menu and locate the dedicated time-lapse function, typically found within the shooting settings. Select interval shooting. This is the heart of our time-lapse creation. Here, you'll define the interval between each shot, how often your camera will capture a frame. For fast-moving subjects like clouds, a shorter interval, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, works well. For slower changes, like a building's construction, you might opt for minutes or even longer intervals. Next, set the total number of shots. This determines the length of your final video. A good starting point for a few seconds of final footage is often around 100,200 shots, but you can adjust this based on your desired duration and interval. Now, let's talk composition stability. It's paramount. Mount your Sony A1 on a sturdy tripod. Aim for a compelling viewpoint that showcases the change you want to capture. Consider leading lines to guide the viewers and ensure your subject is well framed throughout the duration of your time-lapse. Crucially, set your focus to manual and lock it. This prevents the camera from hunting for focus between shots, ensuring sharp results. Furthermore, lock your exposure settings manually. Set your aperture and shutter speed to avoid flickering in your final video as lighting conditions change. Once all settings are dialed in, press the record button to begin your capture. Your Sony A1 will now diligently take photos at your specified intervals. After capturing your sequence, it's time for post-processing. Import all your individual image files into your preferred video editing software. Import them sequentially, and then select all the clips on your timeline. Adjust the duration of each clip to match your chosen interval. For instance, if you shot at 5-second intervals, set each clip's duration to 5 seconds. String them together, and with a few clicks, you'll render your sequence into a smooth, captivating time-lapse video, showcasing the world in a way you've never seen it before.